everybody, it's Ninjamon here. Wanted to show you the weather here in good old-fashioned Indiana. Got some dropping tree lines. Reason for it is we got a bunch of ice overnight, and I mean, it's solid, so everything in town is now covered with frickin' ice. Look at this car. That's frickin' ice. Probably about a 1/4 inch thick. Their hood is just ice. Yeah, so you can kind of punch through in certain areas, but for the most part, everything is iced over. Ain't even breaking through. Gotta watch my step. Actually, let's do some fun here real quick. Do some sliding or whatever. Screw it. It's like practically 8 o'clock in the morning, so might as well make it useful. They plowed this road. That's good news. There's a plow dude right there down the road. He's coming this way. Alright, let's do some sliding once I find a clear spot. There's frozen tire tracks everywhere. I'd hit that and bust my chin open or something. Dun 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 dun. Hell yeah, motherfucker. Oh man, this is cool. And get on the sidewalk probably. Oh yeah, that's better. Dun, 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 dun. Woot chicka boot. Alright guys, this is pretty much just a pointless video. Been a little while since my last one. So just wanted to update everybody. And I figured this ice storm would be a good reason to make a video. Hell, the last one we had, it was probably about 5 years ago. And I mean, it iced down everything so bad. I mean, huge tree limbs were falling, taking down power lines and whatnot. There were a good majority of the entire town actually was out of power for over a week. Some of the more country residents were out of power for around a month. So hopefully this is the extent of it. Northern Indiana is getting smashed by a bunch of snow right now, and South Indiana got hit with the ice. So yeah, fun on that one. Well, the plows have been busy, as you can see. This is the main road that runs right in front of my house. So that's pretty much it, guys. What you see is what you get. Freaking Arctic tundra, 8 in the morning. Hear that wind? It's a windy bitch outside. I remember back in my day, when guys had to walk 15 miles in the snow and ice, barefooted just to get to school. Anyway, alright guys, Ninjamon is signing out. Love, peace, and chicken grease. I hope you dig it. Later, guys.